Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix high ping and packet loss in CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you need to just write a CS2 server status here. And then you need to go to csgo database.com here. And then you need to look your region and you need to look if your in your region servers is not offline. And if you're getting offline surge or delayed, probably the problem is on their end, and the only option that you need to do here is to wait. But if it's not the case, servers is working perfectly fine, then you need to go to thefast.com and speed test your internet connection. And if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if it's not the case, then what you need to do here is to basically, after you start your router or your internet connection, you need to just open up CMD as an administrator here, and then you need to flash your DNS. So you just need to write ipconfig here /flash DNS, and after that you need to write nesh winsock reset. And then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to open up device manager. Then you need to look for network adapters here. So this one, and update your network adapters. If you don't know what exactly you need to update them all. Just right click on the task and search automatically for drivers. It will take not a lot of time, so you can easily update them all. And still, if it's not working, then what you need to do here is to basically, you need to open up your settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network options here. Then you need to scroll down until you see more network adapter options here. Select your internet and disable them. Disable it for from 5 to 10 seconds, and then enable again. And then go to properties. Make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 to disable, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and change your DNS address. And to do so, you need to just select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and then restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. If it's not the server issues or your bad internet connection. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.